Experiencing microphone problems with your Spectrum Xumo voice remote? It often boils down to pairing issues or incorrect permissions. First, ensure your remote is properly paired. Hold the pair and power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds while near the Xumo device. On your TV, navigate to Settings, then Remote, and select Pair New Device. For mobile apps, microphone access must be enabled in your device settings. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xumo, Permissions, and ensure microphone access is granted. On iOS, check Settings, Privacy, Microphone, and toggle Xumo to On. These steps ensure your remote and app can effectively use voice commands. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Xumo microphone issues, try these advanced fixes. First, check for Xumo firmware updates. The 3.15 update specifically addresses microphone latency problems. Reset your remote by removing the batteries for 10 minutes, then repair it with the Xumo device. Clear the Xumo app cache to resolve any stored data conflicts. Background noise can interfere with speech recognition, so minimize distractions around your device. Wi-Fi interference can disrupt Bluetooth pairing. Ensure your Xumo device is within 10 feet of the remote with no obstructions, and try switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for further assistance, particularly if you have an older pre-2023 Xumo device.